This is NOAA All Hazards Radio WXK72 in Putnamville. And now a look at your forecast for Terre Haute and Putnamville areas. Today, mostly cloudy with a chance of flurries. Cold with highs around 30. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Cold with lows around 18. Northwest winds around 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Monday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. For Monday night, clear through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Cold with lows around 18. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest toward daybreak. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Not as cool with highs in the mid-40s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Once again, the forecast for today. Mostly cloudy with a chance of flurries. Cold with highs around 30. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Taking a look at the 3 through 7 day forecast for Terre Haute and Putnamville areas. For Tuesday night and Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in the lower 50s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain. A slight chance of snow toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 50%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain with a slight chance of snow in the morning, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Cold with lows in the mid-20s. For Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Friday night, mostly clear. Not as cool with lows in the upper 30s. For Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 20%. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Sunday, March 1st through Saturday, March 7th calls for both temperatures and precipitation to be above normal. Normal highs for the period are between 45 and 50 degrees, and normal lows are around 30. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is around 0.70 inches. At 4 a.m. at Terre Haute, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 25 degrees, the dew point 17, and the relative humidity 72%. The wind was west at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 21, producing a wind chill of 14. The barometric pressure was 30.21 inches and steady. Nearby, at Lafayette, snow was falling with a temperature of 22. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 22 at Greencastle and 26 at Bloomington. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 21 at Champaign, 23 at Indianapolis, 21 at Mattoon, and 23 at Paris, Illinois. Elsewhere across the region, at Chicago, snow was falling with a temperature of 24. It was clear, with a temperature of 25 at Lawrenceville, Vincennes, and 28 at Evansville. At St. Louis, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 25. At Cincinnati, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 28. At South Bend, snow and fog were reported, with a temperature of 24. At Fort Wayne, snow and fog were reported, with a temperature of 25. Once again, at Terre Haute it was 25 degrees with mostly cloudy skies.